Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound in California this time. So I'm back at the California house here and doing some work along on the side fence here. We had a bad windstorm here back in the spring, so it's been 4 months, 5 months. And this section of fence here, starting right here, down to just beyond the third T-post leaning up against it, came over. It was over at about a 45-degree angle. The fence has been up there for almost 30 years. So, and we have termites in this area, and so the boards down below got eaten out and everything. It just kind of blew all the way over. So we're replacing it. Got some pre-made panels at Home Depot because right now there is a wood shortage, and the only thing they had fencing wise was these here pre-made ones. They didn't have individual boards, anything 5 foot or 6 foot length. They had like about maybe 50 4-foot boards, and that was it. So today we're going to come out here. We're going to be taking this apart. Going to take off the 2x12 off the bottom, take the top header board off the top there, and start taking the sections down. And once we have it down, then we're going to drive in 8 foot, 2 3/8 OD fence posts in, and we'll use these type brackets which go over it, and they will mount to the back of the fence, and it'll hold it in place. So that's what's on the agenda for today. So stick around, check it out how it goes. Okay, we got the old fence down. Wasn't leaning quite as bad as what my wife led me to believe, but with the wind blowing out, I could see it, rocking over farther. So got the old one down. Now I gotta take this one post out here, final post out, and then we got to start putting stuff back in. Got to get a shovel, dig this dirt back away, piled up against the fence, get it out of the way, and then we'll continue on. Okay. Stupid timer kicked in again and turned it off. So what we've done so far, got 2 of the posts set up, and the old wooden post that was here, drilled it out and vacuumed it out, tapped the new post down in there so it can go all the way down in there, and then we filled it up. I screwed this on here temporarily as a form, and we filled it full of concrete. So that one has a lot of support on it right now. Put this back over here in the shade. There we go. And so we got 2 of them in. Now we're just going to go on up, putting them on 8-foot centers. Carlos went to get a couple more. Went to get a couple pieces of pressure treated 2x8. We'll do the 2x8. Let's see here. We use these brackets, attach the 2x8 on the face of it. Keep it about 2 inches off the ground. We're going to take the old 2x12s there, and we're going to cut them to 8-foot lengths and cut it at an angle that matches the slope here going up. So basically those panels there will go in flat, step up as it goes down the line. So that's the plan, and we'll see how that works. Okay, humor time. I had to come all the way to California to find a petrified potato. It's a rock. All right, everyone, so boom, 40 feet fence, 5 8-foot panels up, all ready to go. It's done. Now I just got to clean this up later. All right, so the cleanup is mostly done. Got a little few pieces here we got to put into the garbage can of that type of wood. Got this little pile here I'm going to take it to Idaho. I cut it what I could to 40-inch length so I can use them underneath the tote planter beds. And let's see what we got up here. So all the way done up to here. Got 4 panels here that I need to, actually the boys need to take apart. I already took apart one myself, stacked it up there. We're leaving the top pieces on the fence up here. Let Carlos do whatever he wants to. Whether he told us just to leave it, he's going to decide whether he wants to put some lattice work up there, the preformed 2-foot panels, and just attach it there, or whether he's going to cut it off later. So fence is done. So one of my primary reasons for coming here back to California is done. When I was talking to Carlos, we were talking about the fence and everything else. We got talking about the oleander, nasty plant. This is the oleander bushes that think it's a tree. As you can see, we cut a lot of it. It was solid all the way across over to here, and so we already filled these two here up. I've stomped them both twice, and so and this one here has the the fence post that I cut up, so it fits in there. It goes to the recycling, the garden waste recycling. They'll run it through the chipper shredder down there, and they take limbs and stuff. So they'll just run that all through there. All the nails are out of it, and so probably get a bunch more off of this week. We borrowed 2 of these from our neighbors across the street, 2 doors down. John and Liz. I've known Liz since she was born, and so they're buying property up in Boundary County in Idaho. So if they're not back down this week and my wife can use them again, she's going to get the boys out here and they're going to lop a whole bunch more off of there and get it down. Carlos hates it because he just cleaned that up a couple weeks ago, all that flower stuff. These things drop flowers like you wouldn't believe, and the really bad part about it is the flowers, the leaves, every part of that bush is poisonous. Kids have died from chewing on the leaves. So yeah, so we want that to go bye-bye. So anyway, so that's it for now. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, click the subscribe button down below, and then a little option will pop up where you can get notifications for all or none of the videos I put out. Just click all. All it means is you're going to get an email whenever I post a video from YouTube saying Camppatton Family Compound has posted a video. You don't have to watch it. You can look at the title, see if it's something you want to look at or not, or you can just delete it. So also don't forget to pound that thumbs up button. That lets YouTube know that you like the video, and it helps push my channel forward in their analytics. Alrighty, and the color here behind me, we were picking out different colors possibly to repaint the house, and so we just got some colors and put it together. My wife's thinking about getting someone out here in October to paint the house. So with that, as always, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.